In this example, I'm going to have a look at copying records straight into the database. Now this is bearing prices.mdb, which is located in the Centrix data folder. And when you open this database, be very careful. There is no need to save anything. So we want to be looking at tables. So there's a few things here, but all we're interested in are tables. And we're going to use table factors. Now, when I created the extra sheet in the spreadsheet, you notice that I just copied a single row actually for the rollers. So I'm just going back to the database. I just highlighted that, did a Control C to copy, and did a Control V to paste into this spreadsheet. So that makes sure that I've got the headings correct. So now let's have a look at this this sample for the 1-2 series ball bearings. Now when we look at the database in table factors, you'll see that we only have this ID of 2 for ball bearings, which has got the single factor of 0.9. Now what we need is to split these up, because the factors are different according to our spreadsheet between the 1-2 ball and the 2-2 ball. So you can see these factors are significantly different. So I'll just demonstrate getting this 1-2 ball in there, and I've made it a factor ID of 9. And because we got a factor ID, the last factor ID that we use was 8. So I'm going to have 9 in there. So it's pretty easy just to copy these, and rather than going through and entering all these new ones individually using the prices utility, I can just do a Control C there and highlight the entire row there, the Control V, and we've got them in. Now we can do this for the others, so let's have a look at these ball bearings as well. So I've changed the name here, so it now says 1-2 ball. So let's have a look at 2, which is the existing factor for the 2-2 ball series. So the first thing I'll do is I'll delete this just by hitting delete on the keyboard and say yes, because we can then paste all the new ones at the bottom. So let's do a Control C again and a Control V. Alright, so you can see that is so much easier. Now let's have a look. I can close that, open up the price utility. Incidentally, you can have the price utility open at the same time as the database. So as long as it's on the same computer. So let's have a look now. We did that. We want the 2-2, which is still used as a factor of 2. So we want the self-aligning ball 1-2 series now. We need to change that to 9. So let's have a look down here. So it's element ID 5. So element ID 5, for this seal we want to change to a 9. The taconite seal, element ID 5, we want to change to a 9. Labyrinth seal, change to a 9. Double lip seal, change to a 9. V-ring seal, change to a 9. Okay, so they're all done. So that's how we use the Access database to quickly copy these into the Centrix Prices database.